Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis. Today I'm doing an update for Dogecoin. Doge, the cryptocurrency, we're doing a technical analysis, specifically Elliott wave theory. I'll be counting the Elliott waves, or attempting to account the Elliott waves. It's not always easy, and I'm not always right. Also, I'm not a licensed financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just someone who's interested in this and making a video. For your entertainment purposes only. Trade at your own risk. I think this is speculating and not even investing, but that being said, let's get into it. So right here, where are we? I'm on the 1 minute chart. If you want to see more detail about how I trade Doge, because I've been trading this profitably for the last several weeks, and every single day, even on these terrible downs, I was able to make money. So the strategy I've been using, I talked about in the video, and it's been working out pretty well. I mean, it's not always easy, but it's pretty simple. So check out the other few Doge videos I have. I have a playlist in the description, all the different playlists on my channel. So there's one on investing and speculating. That one has more of the videos on Doge, Dogecoin and Bitcoin and silver and stuff like that. Okay, so right here, we've been stuck in this right below 60 cents. I never thought 60 cents could be so good. But I've been playing this very carefully. Okay, so first let's go to the weekly chart. As I did in my other videos, I back out all the way to see the big picture. As you can see, I had counted these in the previous videos. And then I had set this up as my buy zone for going long. But, I mean, I've been trading the 1 minute up and down, up and down. So, it depends what time frame you're looking at and what time frame you're trading on. This weekly time frame looks extremely oversold or overbought on the RSI. And, geez. Yeah, doesn't look like a good time to go in according to the weekly, that's for sure. All right, so let's look at the daily. So as you can see here, I was a little bit wrong. I was a little early, as usual. I know that I'm often early, so that's my tendency at least. Which is good sometimes. A little bit early is great. Very early is not good. Okay, so the daily, yeah, looks pretty brutal here. Wow. So I had been expecting this giant drop, as you can tell. I'm waiting down here, and I think I might want to edit this a little bit. So this down here is coinciding, this white line is coinciding with the 0.786. That's probably what I'm expecting it eventually to go down to. 15 cents or so. But, and then that up here on the daily, that'll probably be, let me draw a picture. That'll probably be like all the way down here by then. If it gets down that far. So let's look at the 4-hour. Usually then okay, so now we can start to see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, and then this leg up. Okay, so I went to the 1 hour. Now we can see a little more detail. That was the top, I think. 70 4 cents or so. And it's a little different on different exchanges. I'm using the Bittrex chart, but honestly, I'm not even trading on there, so I'm just using this chart because it's better than the chart on RobinHood or anything else actually that I've found. Although Webull is a little better, and I just got that, so I will put a link in the description later for that because you can get some free stocks for signing up. And so, okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's hard to read on the 1 hour, so let's zoom in a little more on the 30-minute. This looks like a 5-wave down in some way. This giant red one right there, I think was that wave 3 going down for this. Let me chart that out for you really quick. 1. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. I'm not exactly sure actually this way, but I had a good count of this earlier, so let's zoom in a bit more. Let's go to the 5-minute. Sometimes I look at the 15-minute also. All right, what have we got here? That might be this sneaky one right there. This might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was wave 1, even though it's ugly and difficult to read. So instead, if we can, 1, oh, put it in the wrong spot. 1, okay. So these are, if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then that was a 1. And then this one up here. And then wave 3 came crashing down. Wham! That's right when SNL started, which I didn't even watch because I could entertain myself better alone in a closet. But anyway, I look at the charts. I don't watch, the chart will reflect, if you're trying to trade off of the news, the whole point of technical analysis is that the chart is going to reflect the news anyway. So I just read the chart, and I'm not trying to play the news stories. I'm reading the Elliott Waves. Okay, so if this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this was, so then this was a big wave A. So I think B is either done or about to be done right about here somewhere. 61 or 62. And then C, I need to move this out of the way. Oh, well, C would be down here somewhere. And I would figure it out exactly by, well, not exactly, but I would get a better idea. Let me see the 30-minute instead. Okay, looks, so this would probably fall somewhere in either the 618 or the 0.786. We can sometimes measure the wave A and see if the wave C will be just as long. Look, it would, if it's just like that, it would land right there, somewhere right there. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of all these. I don't want to necessarily see all this craziness, but you know, that was a difficult wave A. If that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now we're in wave B, which is not looking good. It looks like that wave B might have ended. Or be very close to ending. So let's zoom in and look at this wave up close. So I'm going to delete this to get it out of the way. And this. But basically this is my guess of what's going to happen. You know, and as I go, though, I will be constantly reading the RSI, you know, the MACD, and the waves, the Elliott waves. So this, if this ends up looking different, I could change it later. So right now, this is my guess, and if it goes down to here, it would be about around 28 or so. And, you know, it might take, you know, this took from this top right here on May 8th down to here, May 9th. Oh, that only took one day. This B wave, if it's done, the B wave could drag on and on. If this B wave is done, this could take another day or another couple days to come down. There are ways to measure the time with a Fibonacci spiral. Where is that? Cycle lines, time cycle. That might be it. Let's see if there's a Fibonacci spiral on here. Fibonacci circle, Fibonacci spiral. Okay, so I don't usually use this, but it is something that I know exists, and it can help you see the timing of how, because all this is mathematical. And like I talked about in my other videos, oops, no, I don't know what I did here. All right, so I'm going to delete this for now. I might leave it there. Let's see if it gets in the way. Yeah, it's interrupting. Or let's just... Okay, so let's see what this is. I think this is a wave 4, and it might go up one more wave to around 61, 62. And basically, I think this is A, B, C going up. And then inside of that, I think this was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there was a B wave here, and then another another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we're about to find out. And by the time you watch this, this might be happening or already happened. So I'm going to upload this video quickly. But if this wave 4 right here comes into the wave 1, it can wick down just a tiny bit and go back out, that's fine. But if it really goes into the 1, then this is over, I think. But we'll find out very soon. I think, well, in the 1 minute, we are oversold. And like I mentioned in my other videos, I'm looking for when, see this one right here went down, right here. And then right here, we're going down again, but it's going back up, the RSI. But here, it's down. That's a good sign to get in. But we're on the 1 minute chart, so it would only be for a short trade. And I would count the mini 5 waves going up. But sometimes that 5th wave can be stumpy, and the 5th wave can fail, and it might come down early. So it's dangerous. It's risky. So keep that in mind and know what you're doing. Paper trading is okay. If you don't want to risk your own money, you can always pretend, you can write down when you wanted to make the trade, or some account, you can get free paper trading accounts online. I know Ameritrade has paper trading, but I don't think they have Doge. So you would have to find a paper trading for Doge, or I'm using TradingView, and I have the pro version. It's like $30 a month. So your first goal, if you are trading, would be to try to make $30 a month profit so you can pay for TradingView. Then you can take it from there and have a daily goal. But I mean, let the waves dictate it. Don't just try to make money just because you want to. You're trying to ride the wave. You have to fear and respect the wave, just like you fear the ocean waves. I'm not a surfer, but I can understand. I body surfed when I was younger, and I got wrecked a few times, where I face planted into the ocean floor and had sand and rocks embedded into my face, in my skin, from ocean, from body surfing. So you have to fear and respect the ocean if you're going to play. And the same goes for the Elliott waves. You have to respect the Elliott waves and don't get too cocky about it. But that being said, I've been trading the RSI really successfully. So check out my other videos, and like I just mentioned here, where it keeps trying to go down, but the RSI goes up and the price action goes down, that here, and this goes here. That's basically a mix for me to enter the trade. So let me know if you have any questions. I've only been doing this for about 4 or 5 years. So I don't feel like an expert at it, but I can help point you in the right direction, and I can help give you another perspective, because sometimes you just need another perspective that's not your own. Alrighty, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it if you got some value. And I usually make a lot of health videos, because wealth is not important if you're sick or dead, basically. And that's why I do a lot of health and also wealth videos. So if you're interested in health and wealth, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. And we're about to see if this final leg materializes on Doge. And if it does, I will be exiting somewhere around 61, and I will be waiting for it to come down. But I will be trading these little blips in between, from the RSI down here to the RSI up there. Check out my other video for that. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Because like I said, I do mostly do health videos. But if you want to see videos like this, just comment, and I will put some more focus into these type of videos if they're helping. Alrighty, thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.